Do you know what day it is?
Yeah.
What day is it?
I don't know.
Oh, it's IPSY Day.
Yay.
Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. And if you're not new, then thanks for coming back. Let's get into it. Okay, wait. I'll give you a palette, okay? One of these, this says palette. So the first thing I see is an eyeshadow palette by Vineyard. Sorry, I don't know how to say it. Oh, it actually has like nice, a heavy duty type of packaging.
Yeah.
Let's show everybody what it looks like first.
Ooh.
Okay, wait. Those are nice. Those are pretty. What do you think?
Sure.
Hold on, let Mama swatch a few. Let me grab just...
No, we can wash it.
Okay.
We can share me.
So, here you go.
We can share.
3 colors. My hands have a tint on them. So sorry. Oh, wow. That's super pigmented.
Oh, that's super pretty.
Super pretty. Let's check this one out. So, this box is Get That Glow May 2020. Oh, yes, girl. Get that glow.
Get that glow.
Is actually says nothing on it. Oh man, IPSY did it again where they did not. Y'all, IPSY did not send me a paper with like how much everything cost. It just says highlighter 101, powder, liquids, cream. So I have no clue how much that costs. But I will try to put like the price somewhere up there for you. IPSY, this is not the first time, so I'm gonna need you to get it together. We obviously don't need that. That sucks, people, I'm sorry. Next thing I see is a palette.
This?
Okay, here you go.
Oh, it's green.
Green lipstick. Nomad, Sydney Bathers, special edition, IPSY, not for sale. Oh, wow. So it's a highlight palette. I'll use my other fingers. So this is actually really, really pretty. Let's do the last one as a matte bronzer.
Ew.
Kind of powdery. You can't see the matte. Oh, thank you. You can't see the matte. It's over here, but those highlighters are life. Here's your brush. You are about to be glowing, girl, because that is pretty.
That's just pretty.
We got some brushes. MOTD. I'm not mad at this, even though I don't necessarily want, oh, thanks, girl. I don't necessarily want more brushes, but these are just eyeshadow brushes. I got some brushes. You want to check them out?
Yeah, I like to.
Okay. So hold on, let me show everyone. This is straight to the point.
Can you get nails done?
No, remember, we can't, Daddy can't take you right now.
Why?
Because people are sick, remember?
Why, Mommy?
Because my husband used to take her every Saturday to get her nails done, and that was like their thing, and she has been asking ever since this happened. Sultry Smudge, so a smudge brush. This angled straight to the point is not as firm as I'd like it to be. This one is Pencil Me In, firm. Oh, thank you. On my décolleté. This one is Masterpiece Crease.
Let me see your arm.
Nice crease. And then this is No Fudge, Just Smudge. Smaller brush. I'd probably use this for under here. That's nice. I mean, I'm happy, although I don't normally want brushes. Like, I definitely don't want, like, face brushes, but eye brushes, I'm cool with. Oh, this is actually something that I picked because why not get a mascara? The other options weren't really that good. No, you can't see me. This is Tarte.
I don't like Mama.
Shh, okay.
I don't
Okay,
like-
okay. Let's see, what color is this? Black. It's just a black Tarte mascara. And I got a mascara in one of my boxes last month too, and I actually really like it. So this has like, who else has bristles like this?
Wow.
It's like the more rubbery bristles. So I picked that. I'm happy with that one. And then the last thing, y'all, this is a super short video. Probably because I can't actually talk about the products because I don't know anything about them. But like I said, I will try to put the price for each one up there. This is Sugar Coat, Sugar Rush, Tarte Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and Sprinkle. Hold on. Really pretty, matte looking packaging. Let's see. Oh, it is matte. You want to try it on? Here, Mama, do it for you. No? Oh, you want to just swatch it? What do you want to do? Okay, forget it. She doesn't want the lipstick. I'll try it on. I don't have anything to wipe this. Okay. Let's see. Show everybody. Oh, it's so pretty, girl. That looks good. It's nice. I think this color would look nice on me, so I'm really happy. I would say this is one of the better boxes that I've gotten so far. I could do without the brushes, but either way, I mean, I'm happy with the stuff I got. I'm not thrilled with the eyeshadow palette. Let's not ruin that. Okay. I'm not thrilled with the eyeshadow palette, but she can play with that, so that's cool. I just also wanted to shout out because I got another box in the mail today from a very good friend of mine, Natalie, over at All Things Nat. Go check out her channel. It goes on your lips. It goes on your lips. Thank you. She sent me a Mother's Day gift. She sent me the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. So go check her channel out. Thank you so much for this. I'm so happy. I actually got some samples of some perfumes that smell really good too. So I'm super happy about that. But I'm not happy that IPSY didn't have their life together and send me a paper so I know what's going on. Oh yeah, the bag. No. It goes on your lips, Tita. This reminds me of like a sunset-y kind of bag. It's just a small, basic bag. Oh, it has a tassel, little jazz right there. But that's it. Anyway, if you haven't already, don't forget to...
I want you makeup.
Okay. Like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. You can tell them bye?
No.
Bye. Bye.